Wagwan, hope everybody doing good today. So today video is going to be on Garfield Reed. We all know him as Bad Boy Trevor. Him is an actor, promoter. I don't remember if him also in the producing. I think him produce some in play and stuff, but him mostly in play. And others know him for being porn star because him did go viral with a little near means. You understand that video something there. But today him in the news because the Star is reporting that he hosted a pool party when Jamaica is supposed to be in lockdown quarantine and him choose to do otherwise. However, this is what DJ Ricky Trooper had to say.
People, me not tell the line, so me feel ashamed in a star. You know, so me is a part of the entertainment industry, you know. Artists keep up foolishness after the government say, yo, everybody for talk the truth about where I come from and this and that. And then me go wake up this morning now. And I read about Bad Boy Trevor, key party, and police go so boom and lock him up. Eh? Police should lock up his selector too, and lock up everybody with that party. When it comes to entertainment industry, me ashamed to be a part of the entertainment industry, you know. Because we have some people in there who don't make it look bad for we, who can't bill, who can't hold it. Eh? Who don't think about if you go collect money and go play music more people life. Let me tell you something, man. Someone who is such a dog shit, man. Respect to all of the real people in the entertainment industry and the real sound man then we are wallet and a band with belly and just know that's how it go. You see the rest of we are trying to bring it down? Yo, Corona fi kill you now. Me ear to know.
So that is how DJ Ricky Trooper is currently feeling. As for Bad Boy Trevor, I went to his Instagram and he had posted this 4 hours ago. I'm not sure if he got bailed out on release or what is happening with his case. But it reads, not going to let nothing make me can provide for my kids, which is a reckless answer in itself. Because if you're under quarantine and the government's lockdown 14 days, then work with it. There's more than one way, as we in Jamaica say, for hang a dog. Him can make money from home. I've seen DJs and other people using Instagram Live for host like a party and stuff. You have Cash App, you have PayPal, you have so many ways to get the money to come inside it. Also, though, you actually leave in the house. So if anime is a good playwright, so use that and write a play. And do you think if you're not leave the house, if you're not underneath the umbrella of essential worker, then just stay in the house. As long as you have your little food, you come out to get your food and come back in, you're good. But let's see if them probably use this against him to say, alright then, since him don't care and him don't remorseful or sorry for what him done, then we're gonna charge him even bigger. So soon in the next video, alright?